In 2D, we are looking at this mountain and it looks like a contour plot. Okay. Similarly, for the benign scenario, the likelihood will again be a two-dimensional Gaussian distribution likelihood. Okay. And this again is going to be a contour plot. Okay. So guys, here we are getting basically two bivariate Gaussian distributions. And these two are our likelihoods. And guys, as you can again see that the two Gaussian distributions are actually overlapping with each other here. Okay, can you see the overlapping area? So guys, the scenario is exactly the same as in the case of only one feature X, where the two Gaussian likelihoods were overlapping with each other, or the two Gaussian distributions were overlapping with each other. Okay, here also the two mountains are overlapping with each other. And we are looking at these mountains right now in 2D because we can't look at them in 3D right now. Okay, but they are actually mountains in 3D. Now, guys, similar to the scenario of only one feature, you can clearly see that these two Gaussian distributions will actually result in a sigmoid function. Okay, and this is the graph of our sigmoid function. Guys, let me make it very clear for you that this graph of sigmoid function is not in the x1, x2 plane. Okay, it's in 3D. The graph looks as if it is in 2D, but guys, this graph is not plotted in 2D, it's in 3D actually. Okay. And one more interesting observation, which you have seen from the previous scenario of one feature, that where the two distributions overlap with each other, there the sigmoid function is making transition from lower to higher height. Same thing is happening here also. So guys, you can clearly see that this is our overlapping region. And in this overlapping region only, the sigmoid function is making the transition from lower height to higher height. And this is where the probability of any data point line inside the intersection region or the common region or the overlapping region for both the scenarios of benign and malignant will be 50%. Possible probabilities will be same.